website of Framer. Framer is a easy, fast, and free UI design tool which will help us to design and ship our dream site using zero code and with maximum speed. It helps us to design on a freedom canvas and add animations, interaction, and a CMS. In Framer, we can add designs from Figma as well and alter them, and we can publish our sites for free. So CMS stands for Content Management System. It is a software platform which is used to handle changes in a website content creation, enabling multiple authors to develop, update, and publish material. Now I will be using Framer on the browser itself. I can download the app by clicking on resources and desktop for app. And then let's click on open Framer. For creating a complete new project, I will click on this new option. This provides me the workspace for creating and designing my site. So there are top 5 main buttons available on the screen. The first one is insert, the next is layout, text, and CMS. This menu will give me a drop down which will have options for go to dashboard, quick actions, file, edit, view, tool, layout, text, graphic, etc., which can be used by the designer as required. On clicking of insert button, these are the list of options which are available in front of me. I can add various elements like media, image, GIF, forms will have form spark. These are various options which are available for creating forms. Utility for logos, embed or Gumroad, etc. Let's create a basic page using Framer by clicking on the insert button. When I click pages, I will get a list of options available which I can use to edit and create a page, or I can create my own page. For now, I will be using this one. This provides me with 3 views available. The first one is desktop, tablet, and phone. I can zoom in for better editing. I can edit this. Let us say UI/UX. I can add image by double clicking on this area. Choose image. It will direct to my files. Let us suppose we want to add this image. The image has been uploaded. I can now size it by having 3 options: fill it completely in the space available, or fit it, or I can stretch the complete image to the space given to me. Now we can play this by clicking on the button available just right above the page here. We can close this by clicking here. It enables us to instantly publish our sites. Let us publish this. It will give me a domain which I can keep on updating as I make changes, and the list of changes will be available here. Now I will create a simple website using Framer. So this is the page available right in front of me. I can create a top bar by using the frame option. I will drag it from here. I can change the color of this by scrolling down, from the top. I have the color which I will set to white. I will choose the border to be black. Now this is my top bar. I can add text by clicking here and updates. I will duplicate this by using Ctrl D. I will choose this layer and Ctrl D. Just a second. Let us say this is features. I will add a logo by clicking on this insert button, going to utility, logo. Now I can space this appropriately by creating it as a stack by going to the layout option. First I will choose my entire frame. This will enable me a layout option. The stack option is already chosen. I can give gap of around 30. Next I will click on the text option and create a text box. Let us say this has I will size it appropriately as required by me. By clicking on the styles option, I will choose this title. I think it's clear enough. I will choose center alignment and I will choose this to align horizontally. I will create another text box by using this option from here, and then I will click on my canvas. It will say try here. I will make the same changes to this as well. I will choose align horizontally. Style will be also same and center alignment. Now I can link this to a page which will be directed when I click over here whenever my site runs. So I will click in this text box and link it to a URL. Let's say this. I can add effects as well to my text by clicking on this option. This will be enabled whenever it appears. Let's add a delay. Now I will copy this effect and paste it here as well. I will paste the same effect here. Let us try this. I will close this. Next I will be adding a video. So again I will go to insert, media, YouTube. I will drag this on my canvas right here. I will make this center aligned horizontally, and then I will add the same effects. Let us try again. I can click on this to play the video. Let's pause it. Now I will see the usage of CMS. I will create a new page. By clicking on this plus option. Add collection. Let's try a sample blog which is already available. Let's get back. So this is a list of blogs which are available in this. I can alter this by double clicking on it and make necessary changes as I intend. I can add an extra field apart from these 4 available right here by clicking here, edit field. Click on this plus option. I will choose plain text. Let us say it's a category. And the default value is an article. I can alter this as a post. I can even add colors by edit field again and choosing the option color. The default color is blue, as already set here. I can change this color by moving down and choosing my color which I want. Now let's get back to see how I can reflect these changes on my page. I will copy this frame by using the Ctrl D keys and I will move this forward. Now I will move down. I will choose the content option, set variable as category. Now all the categories are available here which I have set. Now I can even add the color by choosing the tint option. Now this is how we can reflect the changes which we have made. I can even see my pages by clicking on this drop down menu. I can even add a new item by clicking here. Let us say at JK. Date is mandatory. Let us enter some random paragraph. I will save this. Let's go back. Let's click on blog. I can add an image here by double clicking on it. There is an option for unsplash. I can use any random image for now. So this is how we can add images. So this is all about Framer. Thank you.